Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the beautiful world of Aglaonema plants, commonly known as Chinese evergreens. These stunning houseplants are known for their vibrant foliage and easy care, making them perfect for both beginners and seasoned plant lovers. Let's explore 20 incredible Aglaonema varieties. First, let's talk about what makes Aglaonema so special. These plants thrive in low light and require minimal maintenance, which is why they're often found in homes and offices. Now, let's jump into our list. Starting off, we have the classic Aglaonema commutatum, or Chinese evergreen. Its broad green leaves are a staple for any indoor garden. Next is Silver Bay, with its stunning silvery green leaves and dark edges, perfect for brightening up any room. Then we have Maria, known for its beautiful variegated leaves that display a mix of dark and light greens. Check out Red Siam. Its deep green leaves are beautifully highlighted with bright red and pink markings. This is Siam Aurora, featuring vibrant red and green foliage that stands out in any decor. Next, we have Emerald Bay, known for its dark green leaves with elegant silver markings. If you prefer something unique, Cutlass has long, narrow leaves and a distinctive upright growth habit. Check out Pictum Tricolor with its mottled leaves, showcasing a beautiful mix of green, silver, and cream. Then we have Bicolor, which features a striking mix of green and cream on its leaves. Here's Valentine, with its vibrant pink and green variegated leaves that make it a collector's favorite. Take a look at Gold Dust, known for its dark green leaves speckled with gold, giving it a unique flair. Dark Night is perfect for low-light conditions, featuring deep green leaves and a compact growth habit. This is Pink Warrior, which adds a splash of vibrant pink to your indoor garden. Friedrich features large, silver-green leaves with dark edges for a bold look. Check out Crispy Wave. Its wavy leaves add a unique texture and visual interest. Silver Queen has beautiful silvery leaves with darker green spots, truly a stunning choice. Next is Ninja, featuring dark green leaves with striking white and silver patterns. This variety Goldie brings a cheerful touch with its bright gold and green leaves. Marble Queen is known for its marbled green and white leaves, offering elegance and ease of care. Finally, we have Jubilee, showcasing rich green leaves with a unique pattern, a lovely addition to any space. Those were 20 amazing Aglaonema varieties. Each one brings its own charm and beauty to your home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more plant care tips and inspiration. Let us know in the comments which Aglaonema is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and happy planting!